There's also other points of the gong we call percussion points. Points when struck produce a particular sound. There are actually 14 percussion points on the area of the gong. Each of these points will give you a different effect when struck. These points are also helpful to use when learning how to play the gong because it designates the area of the gong to strike. Since we don't use musical notes as such in this type of gong playing, we just want to have a shorthand way of telling you where to strike the gong. So when you look at the surface of the gong, imagine this gong was the face of a clock. And on the face of a clock you have the 12 numbers, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these spots are right around in here, the 12 major percussion points. There's 2 additional percussion points at the top of this circle, the middle area. This is a 0 point, right? Like 0. This is the up 0 point, up. This is the down 0 point here. So think of it as 12 o'clock, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up 0, down 0. Now, as a beginner, it's useful to play these points with either an upward or a downward strike. As you become more experienced, you can certainly change this direction, but to start and to practice, my suggestion is that some of these points you want to strike up and some down. The points at the top of the clock, beginning with 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, these are struck up. When you start to move down to the bottom half of the gong, at 4 o'clock you start to strike down. 4 down, 5 down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down, 9 down. Then you move back up again, up 10, up 11, and up 12. So these major points here, upward strike on 12, on 1, on 2, on 3, down on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up again on 10, 11, 12 again. Then you have up 0 and down 0. This is the way we combine the up and down strikes with these 14 percussion points. Now, there is one suggestion. If you are a left-handed player, you're going to be standing on the opposite side of the gong or the clock face. So for you, this reverses just a little bit. But for most players who are right-handed, we typically, on 3 o'clock, see 3 and 9 are directly in the center, right? On the 3 o'clock point from a right-handed player, when you're reaching out, you strike up. On the 9 o'clock point, when you reach in, you strike down. For left-handed players, this will be reverse. You'll strike down on 3 and up on 9. So these are the 14 basic percussion points of the gong.